Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into the heart of task management with Asana, showing you how to set up task priorities using custom fields. This is an essential step in streamlining your workflow and ensuring important tasks get the attention they deserve. Let's get started. First off, you'll want to navigate to the project where you wish to set task priorities. Now, why do we start here? Because custom fields are set at the project level in Asana, which allows you to tailor task prioritization to each project's unique needs. Next up, locate and click on the Custom Fields button in the project toolbar. This is where we start creating the parameters to define our task priorities. Remember, custom fields are all about flexibility, so think about what priority levels make sense for your project. Now that we're in the Custom Fields section, it's time to create a new field. Click Add Field, then name it Priority. Choose Drop-down for Field Type, as this enables us to create different priority levels. This step is crucial because it sets the foundation for our priority system. Once you've done that, you're going to add your priority levels. Common ones include High, Medium, and Low, but feel free to customize this to your needs. The reason we do this is to give everyone a clear understanding of task urgency. Lastly, click Save Changes. With that, you've just created a custom field for task priorities. Each task in your project can now be assigned a priority level, which helps us because it allows team members to quickly identify high, medium, or low priority tasks. Let's take a quick pause here. Let me explain why this matters. By setting up task priorities in Asana, you're creating a visual, with easy-to-understand system that helps your team stay focused and productive. This is what's happening behind the scenes when you use custom fields for task prioritization. And there you have it, folks. That's how you set up task priorities by custom fields in Asana, a simple yet powerful way to manage your team's workload effectively. Remember, task prioritization is a dynamic process, so feel free to tweak your custom fields as your project evolves. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy tasking.